Hi, in this video I'll walk you through the latest update to GrowthWheel Online, our new AI feature for business planning using the 360-degree business canvas. Under your client's growth plan menu, you'll find a new 360-degree canvas tab. Here you can upload a new canvas. By uploading a completed 360 business canvas, you provide the AI with the full overview of your client's business. This makes it possible to generate 3 types of documents. Conversation starters. Use this document to get suggested questions tailored to the client's industry to deepen the conversation. Potential opportunities. Use this if you want to generate ideas for your client's growth opportunities across the 20 focus areas. Market research ideas. Use this to get suggestions for research areas as well as resources to support the client's market research and growth, especially helpful if you're not familiar with your client's industry. Each type of document can also be downloaded as a Word document to edit further or to share. This new feature makes it easier for advisors to use AI in business planning and to work more efficiently with clients. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.